Yeah, it's alright. Alright, here we go. We're mixing up Bondo, and we're going to be patching up the hole. See that hole?
Just to get the screen stuck in place.
Yeah, we're going to get the screen in there, and then away we go. This is the fun part. So,
Put a bead across the 4-inch blob. That's all you gotta do.
yep.
It's just something to hold the screen to start with.
Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, glove hand.
All this is doing is just holding the screen so I can just put more screen in.
Yep.
And, you know,
Build it up.
yep, just keep building it up. Yeah, there's rust, but this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep sanding and building it up, sanding and building it up.
Till there's a perfect little patch.
Sometimes you just gotta sit here and hold it, and it dries so fast, though.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about it. It gets hot because it's a chemical reaction.
And this is how we do it. You can hold?
No, I mean... Shim. We're just gonna let that dry.
Alright guys.
That's it.
This
Push it
is
back in with your finger. Whatever you gotta do. Another. That's it. Let it be.
yeah.
That's
There's
what it says.
there's a little start of our patch job of repairing the focus. So you can people see it. Yeah, we'll clean up our
Because we gotta lean up and down.
yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Alright, so I'll upload this and you can see what it'll work. And there'll be more videos coming up of this as it dries. And of us rebuilding the focus. So please enjoy.